Good afternoon. Standard 8 subject English. Yesterday we learned the poem 1.3 Trees are the kindest things I know. There is a passage, there is a extract on this poem. Now I will tell you about it. So question number 1, read the following extract and do the activities. A1, simple factual activities. First question, state whether you agree or disagree with the following statements. First sentence is that trees provide shelter to the birds and animals. Second sentence, trees bear new leaves in autumn. Third sentence, trees offer fruits and wood to the human being. And fourth, trees do not show any kindness to us. So these are 4 sentences. Now next point is that pick from the extract lines that create a picture in your mind. So find out 2 lines. Now extract number 1, page number 13. Trees are the kindest things I know. Dash 2. And in the springs new birds of green. So this is an extract. Now second question A2, complex factual activities. Complex factual activities. First question is that pick out the lines that mean the following. First, trees provide shelter for animals. Dash. Second, trees provide food for all. Dash. Third, trees are most lovable. Dash. Fourth, trees live a simple life. Dash. Now the second point, poet refers to trees as the kindest thing from the extract. Pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others, or how do trees serve birds, animals and human beings. So find the answer from the extract. Now A3 is there. Activity based on poetic device. Pick from the extract words that rhyme with the following words. First word is no, second is now, third is phone. So find the words from the extract. Then second point, find words that describe the following. Cows, things, and new birds. So find the answers from the extract and write in your notebook as well as in your workbook. Solve it and read by heartily. Next period I will give you another part. So we stop.